Hey there! Are you tired of staring at maths questions and feeling stuck? Don't stress, I've got your back. Today, I'll show you 5 powerful tips to score higher in WASSCE Maths. These are simple, practical, and could be the difference between failing and passing or passing and getting an A. Let's jump right in. First things first, practice past questions. The truth is, WASSCE loves repeating patterns. Topics like algebra, probability, and trigonometry pop up again and again. By solving past questions, you train your brain to recognize these patterns. Imagine walking into the exam and realizing you've basically seen the question before. That's the power of practice. Second tip, time yourself. The exam isn't only about knowing the answers. It's also about speed. Start practicing with a timer. Give yourself exactly 40 minutes to complete a Paper 1 objective test, or 2 hours for Paper 2. At first, it might feel stressful, but trust me, the more you do it, the faster and more confident you'll become. Tip number 3, don't waste time everywhere. Focus on the big topics. Every single year, questions come from algebra, trigonometry, graphs, indices, and probability. These are your golden topics. If you master just these, you're already halfway to success. It's about working smart, not just working hard. Tip 4, don't skip steps. Even if you're a genius and you know the answer in your head, write it down step by step. Examiners are humans. They award marks for the process, not just the final answer. Imagine getting 5 out of 10 marks just for showing you're working, even if you got the final answer wrong. That's free marks. And finally, study with friends. Here's the secret. When you explain a maths topic to someone else, you actually understand it better yourself. Group study isn't just about solving questions. It's about testing your memory and boosting confidence. So grab a friend, exchange questions, and teach each other. It works like magic. So, those are 5 simple but powerful tips to score higher in WASSCE Maths. Practice past questions, train with time, focus on core topics, show your steps, and teach others. Follow these and watch your maths grade rise. If you found this helpful, hit that subscribe button and share with your friends, because we got more study hacks, tips, and tricks coming your way every week. Trust me, you don't want to miss them.